tell us who you are and what you do and what your typical day in the life looks like these days.
Yeah, sure. So, hi, I'm Kristen Kerr. I'm the founder of Data Moves Me. I've been a data scientist since 2010. So, my background was bachelor's degree in math, master's degree in statistics. Then I worked in the utilities, healthcare, e-commerce, and then eventually went out on my own. So, today, what that looks like. I have an NDA, so I can't share a lot, but I'm building out a couple of generative AI use cases for a company. And I just built out the first use case demo, and now I'm working on getting that into a production environment. I do a lot of posting on LinkedIn. So my favorite is to create demos for people's products, and then I get to learn and share awesome products with others. And I'm currently working on a book. I have a wonderful co-author, Caleb Kaiser, but we're publishing this with Wiley, and it is Machine Learning Upgrade, a data scientist's guide to ML ops, LLMs, and ML infrastructure.
Very nice.